Hi guys, welcome back to my video. I done a request that someone asked me, Taylor NS, asked if I could do KALE MOA. So I made the curry chicken. It's KALE MOA. See guys. And then I done the yellow rice. I've seen yellow rice but I've never made it. So I thought I'm going to try it. I'm going to try it so I can go with my KALE MOA, my chicken curry. This is what I put in this one. I put in this, you get this little packets. It's magic syrup. Like you can just use one, and then after you've washed your rice and everything, and then you put like a tablespoon of turmeric in it. And then you put, if you want, salt and pepper. But I didn't do any pepper, but just in case you love pepper. Anyway, guys, I'm going to start eating my KALE MOA for Taylor NS. And my yellow rice. I haven't tried it yet. So if it's going to look, if it's going to taste horrible, you're going to see it. Oh. This and this, guys, and I put a bit of salt in it, just a bit of salt, and actually it's nice. So this is something different you can try, because I just tried it, so you can try it also if you haven't tried it. This yellow rice, and it's nice and like it's got a strong texture to it. What I put in my my curry, I put only capsicum, onion, and cabbage. So this garbisi. My drink today is iced tea. I didn't put any ice in it. It's too cold. At the moment it's going into winter. So it's just a sweet tea. You're probably wondering, if I'm telling the truth about making stuff for the first time. Trust me, I've just made this for the first time, this yellow rice. And it's quite nice. It's so nice. I've always wanted to know how to make yellow rice, but I never do it. Not our thing, I guess. Not. Got a bowl for my chicken bones. You know why I put the sachet in it? Because I don't know if the turmeric was going to turn out, and I wanted some flavour in the rice as well. So I got this from the Asian shop, in case you're wondering. That's what it's called. On camera, focus. Wait, listen. This. Another chicken KALE MOA. Right. Oh. Try this yellow rice, guys. Trust me, you'll like it. When you wash the rice, you tip out the dirty water. You wash it one more time and tip it out, and then the next lot of water that you're going to use, that you normally use using your finger for the measurements, and then you shake in the sachet, the tablespoon of turmeric, and you stir it, put a bit of salt in it if you want, and then you just boil it in the rice cooker. And I'll come out of this. You see. Okay. Try that to be here. Oh. This cabbage, guys. And you know this cabbage? I find that the Savoy cabbage is, you know, it breaks apart, so, you know, when you want it to. Savoy cabbage. The other cabbage, it just clings to one another like they're in love or something. You want to know what else I see? When I do my cooking, sometimes I like to cheat, you know, because I don't have the time to cook some stuff, so I just sort of like cheat to get what I want, you know, how I want my food. So let me tell you something. This chicken here, these chicken pieces, let me tell you what I done with, how I done my chicken curry. You know, I got a bag of, not a bag, it's a plastic container of pre-cooked Stiegel roasted chicken. And then I made my curry, cooked the cabbage, cooked the capsicum, and then what I did is I added like a heap of tablespoon of flour, plain flour, and I dusted it over my my cabbage and capsicum, and I stirred it a bit, and then I put some kettle hot water in it, and then once I mixed that together, I threw in my pre-cooked chicken wings. It's Stiegel. And you just add your flavours however you want to do it. You season it, you know. I put a bit of minced garlic and ginger to get that flavour. I knew this fork would come handy. Cabbage so nice. So guys, when you're doing your cooking, shortcut it. Get the pre-cooked, there's one that's like buffalo, and it's really, really hot. I wouldn't have the guts to get one. I got the roast one, so it's not so hot, because you got to make a hot curry. And if you add in that buffalo, oh, you got to have steam coming out of your nose and your ears. I did say steam though. I think the other day that since doing my started doing my video, I started to think of, you know, like stuff I can do for my mukbang, and not only that, it's just to make my life easier. So I gotta always think ahead, plan stuff. Sometimes I don't like the skin of the chicken when it's, you know. But if it's on Kentucky, ooh la la, I'll eat them all. Man, guys, it's so nice. Don't forget to do the yellow rice. If you're like me, you've never done it before, try it. It'll work, especially if you make it in a rice cooker, because it will just cook just the usual way, but you've just added colour and flavour. I hope whoever makes tries to make some of this food that I make, I wouldn't mind seeing it. No, I don't know how, but just let me know that you've made it and you'll put it on your video and I'll come and watch it. In the YouTube world these days, it's all about support, you know. Go out there and support one another, like their stuff, subscribe if you like their videos. No, I do that. I go around and I watch, and I like, you know, because it's all about the support. The guys that's making the big money, well, they don't really need it. Oh, yes, they do, to continue on their money. But us, little people that we just started sort of thing, support one another, I reckon. I'm so glad I put the cabbage in, because I didn't know what I was going to put in it. Because tell you the truth, I remember buying my chicken, but then I thought, oh God, I've got no vegetables. But lucky, one of my kids had made something for them, and they had leftover capsicum and some of their cabbage. Anyway, it's getting cold. It's starting to get cold. I'm planning to make sweet and sour meatballs another time. You know, us Pacific Islanders, we love sweet and sour. And pork sometimes, fish. But in my family, I done sweet and sour meatballs one time. Everyone likes it. Yeah, I'm not kidding. I'm so happy I done this rice. You have to put the sachet in it, or chicken stock. No, you can use that, but just be careful, because chicken stock in a box can be a bit strong. Yep. The cat, I asked it, do you want to come out? He said, no, I want to go sleep. No, I'm doing my video, I can hear it meowing up behind the door there. Stop. You know, Filipinos, they use not knife and fork normally, or spoon and fork. But trying it out here and there, it does make sense because you can use the spoon to cut your meat if you want. So they got the idea. My dad always used to like making the KALE MOA with soup, with the curry gravy thing. And whether we wanted to eat it or not, he'll tell us to eat it. But, you know when you're being kids, oh, no, I don't want it. But you have to eat it if you're in an Islander family. But in my household then, I have to eat it. I'd be ungrateful, I guess. Anyway, I'm all for the road. So, oh, you nearly drowned. So thank you, Taylor NS, for your request. For your request, I mean. I appreciate it. So whoever wants me to make something, and if I can, I will do it. I'm so happy I made this rice. I'm not showing it, but inside of my mind, I'm thinking, yay, I'm so happy I made this rice. Sorry I don't have much stories for you today because I was trying not to talk too much, even though I was talking all the way through. Anyway, thank you guys for stopping by. I'm happy that I made this, and if you guys got a request and you think I might be able to make it, yeah, try me. I'm not shy. But you guys take care out there, look after one another, and I know you're busy people, but don't be too busy to subscribe to my channel, okay? And then give me a thumbs up as well. And don't forget, if you want to comment me, yeah, you can comment, let me know if you want me to make something Oh, oh, excuse me. I'm going to tell you, I'm going to look up the name. I should have done this before. Someone said to me, if I do my video, can I just, let the burp come out? So I thought, oh, I don't want to do that, but, I try and aim to please. Okay, here I go. I think the name's here. And then, quiet, be quiet. Okay. Okay, where's that person that said? Okay, here's the person that said to me to, leave in my burps. It's the Jaxt, Jaxd, rocks. Jaxt, rocks, ROXS. So it's DJAXD and then rocks, ROXS. So that's the person who asked me to leave, just let my burp come out. So blame him if you don't like it. Blame that person if you don't like it. Oh, here I go again. Here we go. I hope you got that one, because I really don't want to do it again. Oh, okay. I will try and mix it in. Okay. Thank you guys for watching my video, and give me a thumbs up, don't forget. Yeah, okay. You guys take care. Like I say, take care of yourself and each other, and be awesome. Bye guys, take care. Pasoi fua.